shorties on the block and we playing it. Johnny come across. Freaky Friday, of course. Let's play piggy, y'all hit it out the fence. Before we go in, then don't ditch. Nice baby, west side, maybe. Nice baby, west side, maybe.
Now, it's really quick. You literally have, what is this? 4, 8, how many is it? 8. 13 braids, and this is a look, right? It gives you a look, if you could do them as long as you would like. It's very, very easy to do. Hey, beautiful. Welcome back to my channel, Jazz Beautiful Hair. I am bringing you a wonderful, wonderful tutorial on how to do this braid style, which is just such a vibe, right? This is a great style that you can definitely wear for the spring. Spring is here, and it's time for us to get real fly, clean out our closets, clean out everything, and bring great new things back in. So that means shopping, that means looks, that means new nails. Yes, honey, for the nails. This spring, we're gonna bring a wonderful, wonderful vibe to YouTube with Jazz Beautiful Hair. This video is all about this braid tutorial. Don't y'all love it? Don't y'all love it? So what you'll need for this video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you, and also I'm gonna show you some different ways you can wear this hair. For this style, you'll need a few products. First, you'll need a comb, Maury's beeswax, jam, the gel, and also braiding hair. I like to use Feather Tip by Bobbi Boss, clips, scissors, and then also you'll need to pre-start your hair by parting it into sections. Now, I start off with just the front section. I'm going to part it on both sides, and then you'll see I'm going to go back to the opposite side and divide that part into 2 as well. And then you're going to take it to the other side. Make sure you're clipping or using bands or rubber bands to section off your hair. And you'll see that I used the product, the Murray's, actually first. And then I go over with the gel just to soften up the Murray's. Now, it's really important that you do not focus on your edges at this time. You really want to just get those braids in as quick as possible. Again, this is a quick braiding style. This style can be used for a weekend's time or just an event that you need to go to. This is great for people with natural hair as well, and it's really, really, really quick and easy to do. Now, you do see in each section of my parting section, I want to make sure I'm placing 4 braids. So first, I go in with my Murray's, then I go over it with the jam just to soften up the Murray's and give it like a slick shine look. Then I go ahead and braid each section. When your section is complete, you can see that, okay, I did not focus on my edges. Why? It's because I'm actually going to go back in after I complete every braid and do my edges. Now we're focusing on the back of your hair. So for each side of your hair, you want to make sure that you're putting a lower braid, which is parting from the top of your ear back. And then you're going to put a top braid that you see I'm doing now. So that gives you 2 braids on each side of your ear, which leaves a middle section incomplete and ready to do. We are close to being complete at this point. You're going to do the exact same thing on the opposite side of your hair that you did previously. So you parted your hair into 2 sections. You parted your top section in dividing parting, and you're doing 2 braids at the top, and you're also going to do 2 braids at the bottom of that section. Secondly, we're going to move on to the back. Now, everything you did on your previous side has already been done to the other side. So we're going to start back at the bottom of the middle section and put 1 large braid. It's very important that you use a brush at this point because you want to make sure you're putting that product through the entire section of that hair and pulling it through the ends. This is going to help make that section of the hair thinner so that when you braid it, your hair will not stick out. Alright, so we're pretty much completed. The next thing you'll need for this video is your edge control. I use Ebin edge control 24-hour edge, and I go ahead and use a comb because I really want that edges to look very soft, and I just stroke it into the parting area. Alright, so we're done. You can wear this style in so many different ways. I'm gonna go ahead and show you a few. So of course we have the down. This is like a night out. Like if you have a sexy dress, like this is kind of give you the look as if you have your hair down in a wrap, right? Now if you're going shopping or something, you might want to pull your hair up into a high ponytail. So you can always do this. So this is style number 2. Pow. Style number 2. And just make sure your braids are pretty much like not on top of each other so that they can give you the flattest look. And of course use a black scrunchie, you guys. You can wear up down. So you're going to take just the top front braids in the middle. So just your top braids, and you're going to go up. And you're going to put that scrunchie on and just twirl the hair around there. And then go your up down. Take that back out. So twist it back. Twist back. I just don't have a clip right now. Clip. Right? Clip. And it gives you that look like when all your hair is flowing to the back. And it's silk, and it gives off a lot of face, right? So make sure your baby hairs is popping if you're gonna do this style. You can take your braids from the sides and let them all down. That's a vibe. There's so many looks to do. If you guys like this video, please go ahead, comment, subscribe, and post any other braid styles that you would like to see. Thank you all for viewing Jazz Beautiful Hair, and remember, it's what makes you beautiful. Please share this video. Go ahead and share this video, y'all.